Now then, guys, new toy to play with. Still got others to catch up on, but this one's just come in. I won't be able to do much with it straight away because there's parts missing, and I've ordered them and they're coming later. But I just wanted to just show you it really. So this could end up being my oldest ever steam engine. It's a Weeden No3. The Weedens number 1, 2 and 3 were all made from 1894 up to about 1940. Now, what makes me feel that this one is actually old, more 1800s than the 1900s, is that it's actually got this on the top. It's got 1885 written on the top. Now, the other number 1s, number 2s and number 3s I've seen on YouTube or photos of haven't had any embossed lettering. Now I know with a lot of manufacturers what they do is they do a lot of elaborate, nice touches when they're first releasing a model, and then as the model is been in the line for some time, they sort of try to reduce costs, and they take some details out, and that could well be why the later number 3s didn't have any lettering, but this one has. It's got 1885 clear as day. Now I've also seen that these are normally brass boiler and steel base. Well, this one's not. This is brass all the way through. It's clearly brass. You can see it's brass, and I put because it's got patina on it and I'm not taking it off, I actually put a magnet on it as well to check, just in case there was some colouring sort of irregularities and it was metal. But no, I've put a magnet on it, it won't stick, so it's definitely brass. So I think that's unusual as well, because what I've seen before is normally brass, that's brass, and that's steel. But this one is 100% brass. I've got the engine. The engine is in good condition. Pleased with the engine. Let me show you if I can. It's actually working. It's free moving. These are oscillating engines, so that works okay. The whistle works okay. There's the whistle there. That works okay. The throttle steam regulator, that works okay. Pleased with that. It's had a little bit of a knock. This is fresh, this is new. So bear in mind it came all the way across the pond, because we don't really see these in the UK. That's happened recently, because you can see that it's bright. Everything else is got a normal lead. This is pewter. It's all pewter. It's got a patina. This is bright. So I know this is recent. Now it's got the. I like the way they do these, because what you have is a gasket on here, and I'll probably put a rubber one. And it's like a bayonet fitting. So if you've got your gasket on here, you push it in, turn it, and that's your seal. It's your seal done. It's a really good idea. Now the pressure release valve I've got coming. I didn't notice when I bought this that it didn't have one, so I've ordered one, and that's probably going to be 10 days. And I've got the proper original weight, a little weight. So I don't think there's going to be too much wrong with this. It's even got, the number 1s and number 2s don't have the sight glass, but the number 3s do. So this is a good model to have. Really good for 1800s. Probably my oldest steam engine. I know my other Weeden number 7, that's 1890. But this one says 1885 on it. there you go. So I've got a feeling it might have had a little chimney on there, but maybe not. Yeah, I think it might have had a little chimney on there, probably not too big. But yeah, I think when the pressure gauge, not pressure gauge, when the safety valve arrives, that's an original one as well, so it took me some time to find that. When that arrives, I'll put gaskets on both, I'll fill it up, and I'll boil it. And we'll get it going. But I'm pleased in the condition, considering how old that is. It's in really good condition. I'm not going to polish it up. I'm going to leave it as it is. If they're in good condition, I tend not to polish them. And I think this is I mean, it took over 100 years to get to that, like that. And it's not battered. It's not bad. When I do paint some models where you look at it and it's gone rusty and it's been painted a dodgy colour from someone else. But when it's a genuine old patina, I'll generally leave it if it looks decent, and I think this looks decent. So it's another eBay find. Early hours of the morning, can't sleep, switch it on. Yeah, pretty good. So leave it there, guys, and I'll come back when it's running. Cheers.